Hi, coach.
Ito. Tanggal na yan. Pwede ba? Hey! So, lampas ng poste.
Bang, payat mo na oh. Luwag na oh.
Yung ano ngayon, yung bago ngayon, nandun na sa poste. Pagkatapos ng poste, right after ng poste kanan.
Anong ano yun? Dating
Maray.
kalendarya pa rin?
Oo.
Ay, Doc.
Wala kasi. Long time ah.
Oo nga eh.
Makasama rin.
There goes the alarm. You lay with me, you're shutting down. I smell her on you, I'm focused now. I know what's going on in your head, yeah. I know what's happened here in our bed, yeah. Your phone is buzzing, so pick it up. I know she calling, so what the fuck? I should've known that she stays a cheater. So here we are. And there goes the alarm, ringing in my head. Like somebody said, don't you trust him, no. Texting from his ex, what did you expect? Now you're lying here, knowing where he goes. Now we got that itch, yeah. Karma is a bitch, yeah. Same way that they come, that's the way they go. Now we got that itch, yeah. Rewinding the picture. There goes the alarm and the sirens go. There goes the alarm. I saw it coming, I let it go. My girls will tell me, I told you so. But I was so intrigued by your style, boy. I always been a sucker for a wild boy. I'm better than this, I know my worth. I might be getting what I deserve, but I ain't sticking around for the rerun. What's done is done. And there goes the alarm, ringing in my head. Like somebody said, don't you trust him, no. Texting from his ex, what did you expect? Now you're lying here, knowing where he goes. Now we got that itch, yeah. Karma is a bitch, yeah. Same way that they come, that's the way they go. Now we got that itch, yeah.
808? Set na yun? Oo.
Ganun naman talaga presyo.
Sa akin, 16. Zip tsaka disc.
808?
808
Isa?
tsaka disc.
Dalawa.
Dalawa.
Mura yun. Dalawa. Sobrang mura yun. 65. Wala, ubus na bili ka agad. Sa kanya, 60 na lang eh. 808.
Kala ko doon sa bahay mong lunch eh.
Sir.
Kala ko doon tayo kakain eh.
Wala,
Ako pa rin naman yung hindi na nanda para sa lahat.
Kaya nga favorite ni CJ kanila, Doc eh. Mag-breakfast eh.
Narinig ka.
Ano sabi? Ano sabi?
Parang ang lapit.
Ano, coach? Coach?
Parang ang tapit kayo.
Ako nalalagyan, naman ko sa'yo.